This presentation will focus attention on the manufacture and stacking of kiwi pods. Kiwi pods have to be manufactured and stacked in the block yard before transporting them to the construction site. A number of variables should be taken into account to design an efficient block yard. Kiwi pods molds are ordered in rows beside an elevated track from which concrete is poured into the molds. Mobile or gantry cranes with double pressure clamps are used to move the kiwi pod units to the stacking area. After being stacked in multiple levels for more than 4 weeks, kiwi pods are transported to the placement site. In this slide, you can see a concrete mixer pouring concrete into the 25-ton molds in the block yard of the South Breakwater at the outer port of A Coruña, Spain. Pressure clamps are safer than slings to handle concrete armor units. Stacking kiwi pods in multiple levels is easy with double pressure clamps, like those shown in the pictures. In this picture, you can see a 45-ton kiwi pod unit handled with double pressure clamps and moving from the manufacturing line to the stacking area. In this slide, you can see a typical scheme of an intensive block yard with an elevated track and manufacturing line, a stacking area, and a gantry crane to handle kiwi pods and molds. Thank you.